Common mistakes made when packing for a move. Moving homes requires a significant amount of work to ensure that all of your items are transported successfully. Packing all of your belongings can be time-consuming and requires plenty of planning. In addition to planning for safe transport of items, you may be planning to put some items in storage in North Las Vegas. Many people make the mistake of not purging their home of excess clutter when they're getting ready to move. Unfortunately, failing to get rid of junk before you pack up your home can mean packing too much to transport to your new property. You may need to purchase more moving supplies or rent a bigger truck if you take too many items with you. Items that are loose inside moving boxes are prone to breaking when they're transported. It can be tempting to throw everything into a box, but failing to secure everything can lead to breakage of valuables. You'll need to use bubble wrap or newspapers to wrap everything and pack it tightly. Use lighter items for larger boxes and heavier items for smaller boxes to ensure that the boxes don't break. Waiting until the last minute to pack up your entire home can lead to a stressful and disorganized process as you prepare to move. Not only will it be difficult to wrap and pack everything securely, but it can lead to misplacing items in the process. Assume that it will take longer than you estimate to pack up each room, and start several weeks early to pace yourself. Get a quote 1725241533.